Good evening. Thank you for coming. My major question is, would you please provide the community with a transparent account, maybe on a spreadsheet, that will show us how, what, where, how much, including a timeline of the $300 million, if I'm correct, that was given to the county from the federal government, and how it will be used within the next 10 to 15 business days. And where will we be able to see this information?
Thank you so much for that question. We do have a page on our website that shows the information that how we've been spending the CARES Act dollars, CARES Act 1 and CARES Act 2. The $313 million that you're speaking about, sir, is the CARES Act 3 money. And we had a application that we had to submit to the state with tentative plans. We are in the process right now of developing the full plan. So we have not been spending the CARES Act $3 just yet. That is a plan that we're working on. As soon as that plan is completed and we're getting community input, etc., we're using some of that money to address some of the capital issues that we know. Remember we gave a community survey to see what people wanted us to spend the money on. We are also planning on using that as part of the incentive pay to recruit and retain high quality staff. And then we're working on addressing the what they call the learning loss or the pause learning, the social emotional supports that we want to provide for our scholars. So that plan is in development. And as soon as the plan is completed, so it won't be completed in 10 to 15 business days, we hope to have that plan completed by the end of October. It will go up on our CARES Act page. But if you want to see how we've been spending CARES Act 1 and CARES Act 2, it's all very public and it's posted on our website.
Thank you.